Hello and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to make your pop-up widgets more engaging and eye-catching, you're in the right place. Today we'll show you how to set different animations for your pop-up widgets to draw the attention of your website visitors effectively. Let's get started! First, navigate to the Look and Feel section where you can customize the appearance of your pop-up widget. Once you're in the Look and Feel section, scroll down until you find the Animation Type option. This is where you can choose how your pop-up widget will appear on the screen. There are various animations to choose from, and selecting the right one can significantly enhance the user experience on your website. For instance, if you want a subtle and professional look, you might choose a slide animation. On the other hand, if you want something more dynamic and attention-grabbing, you could go for a shake or a bounce animation. Once you've made your choice, make sure to save your changes. So don't forget to click that save button. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.